Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Today we will introduce our the 5-axis sensing machine center.
Yes.
For the sensing machine center 5-axis, we not talk about lots of the details
Yes.
today. We just talk about what sensing vertical machine center 5-axis we have.
Yes.
Yes.
Because it's a high level. It has a high level technology to fabricate.
Yes,
right?
for the high precision industry. So the first thing we will thanks and welcome to our Alice Ling show today.
Yes. Welcome.
Yes. For the first thing we will introduce ourselves. You can every questions you can ask Erin and Leticia in time.
Yes.
And yes, and you also can leave the message to our solve your questions in time.
Yes, you can just send your question here below, and after the live show, we'll send you the answers or some more information to your questions.
Yes, and for the CNC vertical machine center, the 5-axis, so we will follow 3 paths.
Yes.
Do you know what's 3 paths?
Yes. Today, to introduce the 5-axis machine center, first we are going to introduce what's the main types of the 5-axis, and then the details of this machine, and then the industry, and that means in what industry our customers can use the machines.
Yes. In other words, for the industry and the details have more common for our 5-axis.
Yes, they are very similar.
Yes, and also have little difference. We will introduce later.
Yes. So let's begin.
Yes.
The first is the type of the machines. So
also we can code the structure or the maybe according for the details, the size or the workpiece height.
Yes, because the size of the workpieces decide what type of machine you need to do with your work.
Right? Yes, for doing the sensing machine manufacturing, different customer ask different the technical processing needs. So we provide one or two or three or different the machine solution. We will according to the workpiece.
Yes. For example, for the workpiece below 1.5 meter, we offer this type of the 5-axis. You can see. And above 1.5 meter is this the gantry type. Right?
Yes.
And this here in the medium is
the white machine.
Yes, it's a simple CNC vertical machine, but we can do some technical updates to work like a 5-axis.
Yes,
machine, right?
For our the 5-axis CNC machine center, we have 3 types. The one is we also according to the workpiece. If your workpiece the size below 1.5 meter, we can introduce or we can use for the first one. Yes, this is the first one. And if your workpiece about 1.5 meter, we can choose the third one. Third one, the gantry type. Gantry type 5-axis machine center. And for the budget.
Yes.
We can see the budget. Maybe some customers have the more budget. We can we can choose the first one and for the third one.
Yes.
In this picture. And maybe sometimes we have the limit big budget.
Yes.
So we can choose the basic 5-axis machine center. Yes, for the middle. For this picture, in the middle, the white machine.
Yes, because normally the 5-axis is much expensive than other machines.
Yes, for the 5-axis machine center, according to the size difference and for the height, also the working height different, the cost will different or add more.
Yes, so if your budget is limited, we can also recommend the middle type
Yes.
which
For-
can
For the middle, the basic,
Mhm.
we also can see the CNC vertical machine send 3 axes
Mhm.
and add 2 axes
Uh-huh.
because for our customers,
Mhm.
we have delivered many 5 axes like this to different countries.
It's very popular.
Yes, very popular and very common for this
Yes.
because the budget.
Very economy.
Yes, you no need much budget,
Mhm.
and you also can have
The similar work.
similar works.
That's good.
Yes.
So let's know.
we can introduce the machine one by one.
Okay. So first is the 5 axis below 1.5 meter.
Yes.
This in this we can see this is the beam.
Yes.
And the spindle.
Yes.
The spindle behind.
Yes.
And here the control system. And the work table we can't see very clear.
Yes, have the seat protection.
The seat protection also. And here, this is the machine we sold to the Uzbekistan customer, right?
Yes. This machine,
Mhm.
this machine is the whole country. The first
Before
one.
they don't
Yes,
have it.
before they don't have the 5 axis machine center. For ours, the one he bought the 1 meter. Yes, this machine is with the 1 meter, the size 1 meter, and this is the first 5 axis machine center in Uzbekistan. And he also, because he have bought the machine,
Mhm.
but he not have the workshop, enough workshop.
Ah.
So he built the new workshop for our
new room for
Yes.
the machine.
yes for the machine.
And
We
can
also
see,
have the videos.
Yes.
We can see this.
we can see a video here. The video maybe not open
Yes.
because of problem.
Yes,
And
and
here-
if later you need to see the 5 axis with 1 meter, we can send you the videos to you directly. You can check it more easy and more clear.
Yes, but here we have some other videos of another customer of Aman. Yes, of the same 5 axis below 1.5 meter.
This machine in the size
Mhm.
equal 1.5 meter.
Ah.
For the size is 1.5 meter.
Yes.
We also can see below, but the size is 1.5 meter. Yes.
Exactly 1.5.
Yes.
Here we can also see here is the swing head
Yes.
and the rotary table
Yes.
and the seat protection
Yes.
here, the control system, the beam here, and also the chip collection.
Yes. Chip collection.
And
Will be more clean in.
easy to collect all the
Yes.
chips after work. And here we have
We can try this. Maybe cannot open. And for this we can introduce all the 5 axis the
yes,
swing height.
we can see the videos here. So we can see how the swing head
Yes.
can swing, can move, because the degree is 110.
Yes,
degree, right?
they can move in by this
Mhm.
the 110 degree.
Yes.
Yes, we can see the swing head moving have the about 45 degree.
Here.
Yes, maybe for this you cannot see clear.
Mhm.
You can contact us, and we have the specific sales can send you the videos.
Yes, any information you required, you can just contact us. And we also have this video.
Yes, this for the testing.
Yes.
Yes, this for the Oman customers.
Mhm.
5 axis with 1.5 meter doing the swing head testing. We can see the videos, the swing head working now, and have equipped with the cooling system,
Yes.
the central cooling,
Yes.
by the central cooling.
And we know the 5-axis can do milling, boring, drilling, all these works, right? At the same time. Yes.
In one clapping.
You want like
Yes, for the 5-axis below 1.5, for the beam, beam is fixed, and and can moving.
Yes.
And every rack have equipped with the mechanical single swing head, and can do milling, boring, drilling, taping in one clapping.
Yes. And here we can see the control system also.
Yes, for the control system, we have different options, and customers can choose their needs.
Yes.
We will introduce later.
Yes. We'll introduce some more information. And also here another video.
This for the spindle moving.
Yes.
Yes,
To do
we
the
can.
test.
Yes, we can the moving up.
Yes.
Up moving.
And the swing head
yes,
also.
the swing head also rotary. Back to normal.
Yes. These are doing the testing.
Yes, because every machine, no matter the 5-axis or 3-axis or the gantry milling or gantry drilling, we all do the testing and to ensure the accuracy, to ensure the machine working.
Yes.
And we will to send to our customers, or our customer come to our factory to to the testing. After that, the machine will be okay. We will send.
So if the customer don't agree with the working, the inspection aspects results, so we should do more testing or more. We should adjust the machine.
Yes, if
to satisfy the.
Yes, if the machine testing not good or have question problems, we will solve it. We must to deliver the machine to ensure the accuracy very good, or can do customers the technical needs.
Yes. And here we also can see the swing head
with the rotary table.
Yes.
Yes, and also the machine. We can see the machine.
The machine
have the ATC center.
Yes.
From here. From here we can see the ATC center. But so for the ATC center, not like the circle one, the arm type or the disc type.
Yes, it's fixed there, right?
Yes.
Like a ruler.
Yes, like the line. Like the line. Because this customer only needs 9 tools, so they chose the line ATC center. And for this center is fixed on the. We can see this beam of the. Maybe we can call this the beam. Yes, fixed on this. And when the working to change the tools, the beam will back. Yes, back, and the spindle will down to change this. Yes, to change this, and every change will be, I think, 1.5 seconds.
Very quickly.
Yes, and for here is the transmission. Yes, the spindle.
Yes, and the swing head.
Yes, for the swing head. Do you know we buy or we made by ourselves?
Well, you can. We know that our factory designed and manufactured the swing head ourselves. We have our own research and design center, and because many customers has asked us to offer this technology of 5-axis of the swing head. So our factory designed this, and the all parts is from our factory. It's all so any information you need, you can just contact us. Our engineer can offer you some parameters of this.
Yes.
And here is the rotary table.
Yes,
Oh,
for the 5-axis, the rotary table.
Here we have some videos of the rotary table and also the swing head, how they do the testing.
Yes. For our the CNC vertical motion center, 5-axis is 5 linkage.
5 linkage.
Yes.
5-axis linkage.
Yes, and for the RTCP, the function,
Mhm.
also the option you can choose.
Yes. And we can see the second video, also the rotary table and the swing head. It can do rotary here, and here the workpiece. And we can see in the video before in the swing head it's do cooling.
Yes.
Yes, here we can see the water here to do the cooling to protect the swing head and also the machine, the workpiece.
Yes, tools.
Yes. And so here is 5-axis below 1.5 meter.
Yes. And now we can introduce for the 5-axis machine center about 1.5 meter. We also call this the gantry. Yes, gantry type.
Yes, because it's more larger size, right?
Yes, for this machine, the gantry type 5-axis machine center have some customers ask us, you need to send me the technical proposal with the price and blah blah everything. But we need to know your technical processing in advance so that we can ensure to send you the right solution. From this machine, we can see here. This is the beam right for this beam right. Maybe not clear. You have questions. Our friends, our boss have the questions. You can ask us. We will introduce more clear. For here, we can see the beam. Yes. For this beam, we according your workpiece the height. Right. Yes, if your height about 1.3 millimeter, 1.3 meter, the beam will be moving.
Should adjust and
yes, up and down. But for our engineer, also said some customers the workpiece if about 1.2 millimeter, the beam also need to be moving up and down. So in other words, we also can see if your workpiece about 1.2 millimeter, 1.2 meter or 1,200 millimeter, yes, the beam will be moving.
Yes.
Yes, and if the beam moving, the cost will be add more. So we need to know your workpiece or your technical processing details very clear because the 5-axis is not easy or not simple.
Yes, so it's very important to share us the details of your working so our engineer can give you a appropriate proposal only for your work.
Yes, because for the 5-axis gantry type, we also use for the heavy duty, the industry. So different size, maybe about 500 millimeter will different price, have large details, have large difference.
Yes. So we can also see a video here of the gantry type CNC 5-axis
center. For this is using our factories, and this machine have used about more than 13 years, more than 13 years. Using in our factory more than 13 years.
Yes. And for the type of this machine, so of course the cost is very expensive. So it's good to share more details to specific all the parameters before you buy the work.
Yes. And we can continue.
Yes.
Yes, for our the basic 5-axis machine center.
Yes, because this is the basic. Actually, generally we offer the 3-axis vertical machine center, but because the customers require a more economic machine type, here we can add the 2-axis
Yes.
like this.
Yes.
Mhm.
We also have the drawings. We can to show you later, and we
Yes.
can to show
Show them.
videos.
Mhm.
For the videos, we can see this machine is only the 4th axis.
Yes.
With the 4th axis, not the series 5-axis.
Mhm.
Is the 3-axis at one axis. We can see this the 4th axis.
Four axis, yes. And here is doing it can clipping the workpiece
Yes.
here and do the works. And also we have a second video. Here is a control system.
Mhm.
And this is also the 4-axis.
Yes.
It's doing the
Milling.
works.
Milling.
Mhm.
And now
Ah,
we can see the drawings of our basic 3-axis machine center to add 2 axes. And from here we can see the X, Y.
Mhm.
We can see the X,
Mhm.
X, and Y
Mhm.
and Z
Yes.
axis. And from here we add the 4th axis, the rotary table.
Right.
Yes.
This is how the 4-axis are.
Yes, we also have the working video we can to shoot there.
Yes.
We can see this for the 4th axis.
Yes. To clipping the work.
Yes.
Workpiece.
And now we will show you the 5-axis, the CNC machine center drawings.
Yes.
We also can see the X, Y, and Z axis, and the 4th axis, and for the 5-axis. And for the 5-axis CNC machine center, we have our own technique. CNC machine center when the machine working.
Yes. And here, Aaron, some customers often ask us, so the machine center can do is universal to do all the works.
This is a wrong mind or wrong idea.
It's not
Yes, for the 5-axis, we can see this can do the milling, drilling, taping, and boring in one clipping. But this machine cannot do every processing in one machine because this the 5-axis machine center. Even we call this a machine center, but they also a machine like the 3-axis machine or the drilling machine. Yes, we only can buy or to find the solution or need to according our technical processing.
Yes, I can see. So the machine can do many works, but it's not
Universal.
Yes, to achieve all. So you just tell us your working requirement.
Yes,
we can offer you.
Every machine need to confirm or to meet the technical processing. Not one machine can do all processing.
Yes. And here for the accuracy, we can also see the two added 5 can achieve 0.01 accuracy.
Yes. And the second pass and the 3 pass will be the common details.
The 3.
Yes, also have the difference, but for the difference maybe little.
Yes. They're very similar.
Yes, and for the ATC center, different machine. 5-axis machine center can equip with a different type. All can choose by the by our customers' needs,
Yes.
but also need to confirm if the machine.
Yes. All according to your working details.
Yes, for this the basic type.
And the
And
line
type we have
like
choose,
the
yes, the Uzbekistan customer needs.
yes.
And the ARM type. For the ARM type, mainly used in our the basic CNC machine center 5-axis.
Widely used.
Yes. This for the ARM type.
Yes. Equipped on the machines. And here we can show some videos also, right?
Yes.
Of the ATC
How
to change the
yes.
tools.
The ATC center how to working or how to change the tools.
Yes. So this can equip 20 or 24 and
for the ATC center about the tools, we also can equip with the engineer or the customer solution.
According to the customer
Yes,
requirements.
for our the ATC center, we also have different tools. For the standard, the ATC center or our basic 5-axis machine center have the 20 tools or 24 tools or 18 tools. You can choose, but for our the 5-axis like below 1.5 meter or above 1.5 meter, the ATC center we can do according your technical processing.
Yes.
Yes.
So you can choose also.
Yes, this is the option.
Yes. And here's the cradle.
Yes. This is for the basic machine center. Yes.
Basic.
Also mainly used in the basic machine center 5-axis.
Yes.
And for the different models or different size, we have different
The options.
Yes, to meet your technical processing.
Yes.
And for the electrical system, chip collection.
Yes, we can see.
And for the
transmission.
Yes, and for the transmission, we also to ensure the accuracy.
Yes. And also the lubrication system.
Yes.
The CNC control system, we can have many options.
Yes, different options like the Siemens, Lennox, or the Taiwan Syntec, or the Fanac also. And for the industry, we can do for the high precision industry like the auto manufacturing.
Yes.
Or the machine manufacturing.
Yes.
Or the aerospace.
Yes.
Yes,
and
different. The model.
Yes. So we can today we have knows about the types and the details of the 3 types of 5-axis machine center, and also how is the industry that they can use.
Yes.
And any information you required about more details, you can just contact us.
Yes. Maybe we can introduce our 5-axis more details later or next time.
Yes, next time we'll do more introduction.
Yes. So see you.
So thank you. Bye.
Thanks for your
Watching.
attention. Yes.